Trubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Superintendent of Police ka East Khasil District uba Vivek CM Uloong baka jingplo Khlaw hakine kisngi kalajia kha bat nakaliang ki bor pelip dengru kilalong ki balapan kre bha da ka bakar pat ru ye ki bor snong bakin batha ye ki pat ba nong shong snong bakin om penyeng satya ya ki kali jengki haki surok ki bakhim namar kan long ka ba e ya ki kali pelip deng bandrum shapo ki snong ki thau ladawan ja kan san kanu ka Jingkem ding habakran chi kilat pathai ku bor menta kasi ka ar trik uluber ar haja apusan USP Uloong bakadaw ka jingjor ka jingplo Khlaw kala bande na ka bor maryang hi Henry Bunsien pat kadai na ka Jingleh hi jongki Paidbah ki baju brat pathar ye ki jingdi duma bat ka jing bam pelip ha ya ka ding kabala pat banya lamsha ka jingplo ki Khlaw bat ka Jingkem ding ki Jaka USP ulakar pat ru ya ki Paidbah bakin kier na ka jing thang Khlaw bat kumju ru banlong ki ba fikir bha khnang bakanum dan kanu ka jing ja basungsi pat hadien habot khamtam hakini ki por bajur kaleer
rampant forest fires. In fact, we're having forest fires at night also. This police is on a state of alert. Fire emergency service also is pressed into service. In fact, they've really been stretched, and there's been a lot of coordination with the respective shnongs and all that, because they're the first informants. We are also urging the shnongs that parking on the roadside is not present. Vehicles don't park on the roadside because that will hinder movement. We have been successful. In fact, sometimes we have to use harsh measures of clamping vehicles also because of overnight parking. But by working with the localities, it has materialized that people have actually removed vehicles at night. We have many forest fires, especially in the suburban areas. Last night we had in Jingleh, and New Shillong has been also really affected. The forest in Mauro also has big fires which has affected the areas around. So we just want people to be in a state of caution now because it's a dry season and windy season also. Officers, we have urged officers to have extinguishers, especially old structures and all that, which are assigned types and all that, to have extinguishers. We also urge people, the public, to use the number 112. In case of any emergency situation, please call the number 112. The first responder will be from the vehicle of the 112, or be, if it pertains to fire, then the 112 control room will inform the fire service to come to that place. Just give the location of that place, be precise, the landmark, and the fire service will be there. The closest fire tender will come to that location.
So there is also one question everybody wants to know, whether it's being done deliberately by...
Sometimes it can be nature also. But most times it is because of human negligence or carelessness. People may even throw a cigarette butt in a certain place and forest fires can happen, or people don't douse off a fire properly. So that kind of negligence can lead to big fires and all that. So we urge public, they should be careful this time because a bit of carelessness can be disastrous.